Hi guys, what's up? Today we are going to learn how to work across multiple workbooks and through linking workbooks with each other. So we want to get values from other workbooks, and to do that we need to link several workbooks with each other. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. In this example, okay, we want to calculate the total number of the staff, and we want to get these data from other workbooks. So first of all, let's open the other workbooks. Okay, we'll go here, open, then we will locate the workbooks. So it's W2, W3, W4, and open. Here we go. We opened now the 4 workbooks. In order to do that, it's easier just to put all the workbooks beside each other. Let's first of all make the workbook bigger. So here we are going to home, double click. Okay, so here we go. The view, then we'll go to the arrange all, press on arrange all, then tile. Okay, press OK, and here we go. We can see the 4 worksheets at the same time. So we are going to work here. Here is the senior staff. We want to get the value or the data from the other 3 workbooks. First of all, we have to put equal. Okay. Then we have to select the first number of the senior staff from NFE. Okay. As you can see here, we got absolute number. So to get rid of that, we have to press F4 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and the $$ sign gone. So now plus, and let's go to the BSN senior staff number. Okay, and again 3 times the F4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then plus, and we will go to the senior staff number at the DIA project. Okay, and again for F4 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll press enter. Okay, and here we go. We got the total number of the senior staff of the 3 projects. We took the data, or the values, from the other workbooks, from the 3 other workbooks. Okay, let's try it again. So let's calculate the junior staff number, okay, from the other 3 workbooks. So here, so first we put equal, then we will go to the junior staff number at the NFE. We'll select the cell, then again F4 3 times. Okay, then plus, and now we will select the junior staff number of the BSN project. Okay, again F4, okay, then plus, and we will select the junior staff number of the DIA project. F4 3 times, then enter. Here we go. So let's calculate the last one, the daily workers number. Again equal, then we will select the daily workers number from the NFE, F4 3 times, then plus, we will select the daily workers number from the BSN, F4 3 times, then plus, and finally the daily workers number from the DIA and enter. Okay. Here we go. We got the employees total number of the 3 projects by linking the 4 workbooks with each other, as you have seen. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.